Tired of managing your cases with mountains of paperwork? There's a smarter way. Welcome to Total Case Control with JusticeSphere. To begin, simply navigate to Case Management from your main dashboard. Then click New Case to create a dedicated, secure hub for all your case-related information. Type in all the essential case information. Enter the case name, number, court, parties, and even add custom tags for easy filtering. This creates a powerful, searchable foundation for your case. Now let's bring your case file to life. Under the Documents tab, upload your files. Tell the AI the document type and language, whether it's in English or Urdu. Our AI gets to work instantly, reading, indexing, and understanding every critical detail. Click on any document to see an instant, in-depth analysis, get summaries, key points, and more in seconds. Not quite what you were looking for? Just hit Reanalyze for a fresh perspective. Now that your documents are uploaded, it's time to get started. Navigate to Case Info and click Analyze Case. JusticeSphere will synthesize all your files into one master analysis, providing a complete strategic overview. You can reanalyze the entire case whenever you need to. Have specific questions? Go to the AI assistant. It already knows your case. Ask for precedents, weaknesses, or facts and get instant answers. When starting a new topic, it's always best to hit Clear Chat for a clean slate. Stop searching, start strategizing. Make case management a competitive advantage by using JusticeSphere to organize, analyze, and win.